students, this is chapter 7, lines and angles, and most important part of this chapter, multiple choice questions, and very interesting part. But before starting the channel, before starting the video, please go through the link and subscribe the channel. It is the request. Now let's start the question. Choose the correct option in each of the following questions. If one angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of the other two angles, then the triangle is. So this is suppose a triangle, and here angle A, B, C. Here it is given one angle of a triangle. Suppose angle A is equal to the sum of other two. So angle A is equal to angle B plus angle C. So you can do like this. You know the sum of interior angles in a triangle is 180 degree. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Substitute angle A is equal to angle B plus C because it is given. So write here angle B plus C plus this is angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Here angle B 2 times angle B and 2 times angle C. So you can write it 2 times angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree, or angle B plus C is equal to 180 divided by 2, so you will get 90 degree. So here angle B plus C, the sum will be 90. So A becomes, A is equal to angle B plus C. Angle A is equal to angle B plus C means 90 degree. So this is the right angle triangle. So options you can choose. Option D is correct. Next question number 2. An exterior angle of a triangle is 110 degree and its two interior opposite angles are equal. Each of these equal angles is. Now this is a triangle. Exterior angle of a triangle. Suppose this is exterior angle is 110 degree and its two interior opposite angles. This is exterior and interior opposite. These are two opposite for this exterior angles. So here are equal, both are equal, means this is x, this is also x. Each of these equal angles is, you know the sum of two opposite interior angles will be equal to exterior angles. So here you can write it, this is 110 degree. X plus x is equal to 110 degree, 2x is equal to 110, x is equal to 110 divided by 2. You get 2 5s are 10, 1, 2 5s are 10, 55 degree. So here each angle will be 55 degree. Choose the correct option B. Here we use sum of opposite interior angles is equal to exterior angle. Next question number 3rd. The angles of a triangle are in the ratio 3:5:7. The triangle is. So you can suppose the angles 3x plus 5x plus 7x, and sum of the angles will be 180. So you will get the value of x and find each angle, then you decide which option should be follow, will be decide the angles. So you get x is equal to 12. Now find the angles. This becomes 3x, 12, x is equal to 12, 12 3s are 36 degree. Second angle 12 5s are 60 degree, 60, so 60 degree. And third angle 12 7s are 84, it becomes 84 degree. All the angles less than 90 degree, it means this is the triangle of acute angle. Okay, it's okay. Option A. Next question number 4. If one of the angles of a triangle is 130 degree, then the angle between the bisectors of the other two angles can be. Now this is a triangle in which one angle is 130 degree given, and one of the angle of a triangle 130 degree, then the angle between the bisectors of the other two. Suppose this is the bisector and this is also the bisector, and here angle between these two bisector. So you know this is suppose A, B, C, and sum of these two will be, this is 130 and the sum of three angles will be 180 degree. So other B plus C will be 180 minus 130, you get 50 degree. Sum of angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 minus 130, you get 50 degree. And if these are bisectors, give the name O. So it means the sum of half of B plus C. So you can write half of angle B plus angle C is equal to, do half here also. So you will get, this is divided by 25 degree 2, and you will get 25 degree. So half of means you get the sum of these two angles 25 degree. And what becomes this angle? You will get when you subtract these two angles from 180 degree. So you get angle O is equal to 180 degree minus 25 degree. So you get 10 minus 5, 5, 7 minus 2, 5, 1. Angle O is equal to 155 degree. This is half P, angle half P, and this is half C, this part, not this, half angle C, or angle B plus C is equal to 50 degree. So you get the sum of half also. This is 25. So third will be subtract from 180 to 25 degree, which is the sum of half of B plus half of C. Choose the option. Option D. Next question. In the given figure, AOB is a straight line. This is the value of x. You find the value of x here. So these are the angle on a straight line, and here sum of all the angles in the same side of any line will be 180 degree. So add these three angles and write down equal to 180 degree. Then you get the value of x and find the value of x only. Now 60 plus 5 and 3, 8x is equal to 180 degree. 8x is equal to 180 minus 60. You get 0, 2, 1, 120. 8x is equal to, x is equal to 120 divided by 8. 4 2 is 8, 4 3 is 12, 0, 2 1 is 2, 15. You get 15. X is equal to 15. Now match the answer. Option B is correct. Next question. The angles of a triangle are in the ratio 2:3:4. The largest angle of the triangle is. So suppose the angles 2x plus 3x plus 4x is equal to 180 degree. Sum of the angles is equal to 180 degree, and get the angles and find out which is largest. So x is equal to 20 degree, and here these three angles, here this becomes 2 into 20, 22 is a 40 degree, no, and 23 is a 60, and 24 is a 80 degree. So this is the 80 degree in the option C. This is correct. Next question. In the given figure, angle OAB 110 degree, BCD 130 degree, and angle ABC is equal to ABC. It means you find the angle X. Here, let's see. This is 130 degree. Suppose you construct a line parallel to CD like this. So these two are co-interior angles. Sum of co-interior angles will be 180 degree. It means this is 130, this becomes 50 degree. 180 minus 130, so you will get this angle, this part of co-interior angles. Pair of co-interior angles becomes 180 degree sum. So this is 50 and here this is 110 and this complete angle 110, and here this is alternate interior angles. So sum of, or you can say x plus 50 is equal to 110 degree. So you can write here, extend it. So this complete angle x plus 50 degree is equal to 110 degree, alternate interior angles. So x is equal to 110 minus 50 degree. So this becomes 0 and 60 degree. X is equal to 60 degree. Question number 8. If two angles are complements of each other, then each angle is. Here two angles, and you know the complements angles, the sum of complements angle will be 90. So suppose one is x, so other will be 90 minus x, and the complement angles lie between 0 to 90 degree. So here you subtract from 90, you will get less than 90. So here sum will be 90. It means an acute angle. You have to find of each angle. So each angle will be acute angle. Question number 9. An angle which measures more than 180 degree but less than 360 degree is called, you know, it is a reflex angle, greater than 180 degree and less than 360 degree. Next question. The measure of an angle is 5 times its complement. The angle measures. Suppose one angle is x and other will be 5 times its complement. So other angle will be 90 minus x. And here the relation is given. The angle is, this angle is 5 times of its complement. So right here x is equal to 5 times its complement. So 90 minus x, this becomes x is equal to, so this becomes 9 5s are 45 and 0 minus 5x, here x, this becomes 6x, 5x plus x, 6x is equal to 450, x is equal to 450 divided by 6. So 6 7s are 42 and 3 6 5s are 30, 75 degree. Here what is asking in the question? The measure of an angle. So you have to require this angle which is 5 times its complement. Answer D. X is that angle which is 5 times of its complement angle. Two complementary angles are such that twice the measure of one is equal to the 3 times the measure of the other. the larger of the two measures. Let's see. Let two complementary angles are x and other is 90 minus x. And what is the relation given? Twice the measure of 1. So let's 2 twice x, twice the measure of 1 is equal to 3 times the measure of the other, 3 into 90 minus x. Now solve it. So you will get 2x is equal to 9 3s are 27, 0 minus 3x, 3 plus 2 5x is equal to 270. X is equal to 270 divided by 5. 5 5 is a 25, 26 27, 5 4 is a 20. X is equal to 54 degree, and so x is equal to 54 and other will be 90 minus x. 90 minus x means 90 minus 54. We will get 10 minus 4 6 and 8 minus 5 3, 36 degree. So which is larger? 54 degrees larger. Option B is correct. Mark the option B. Next question number 12. In the given figure, AOB is a straight line. If angle AOC is equal to 4x degree and angle BOC is equal to 5x degree, then angle AOC, this angle. So here you need the value of x. So this is the ray OC stands on a straight line AB. Sum of these two angles will be 180 degree. So you will get the value of x and then you find out the angle AOC. Therefore 4x plus 5x, 9x. 9x is equal to 180. X is equal to 180 divided by 9, 9 to 18, 20 degree, and here 4x is equal to 4 into 20, 4 to the 8, 80 degree. Mark the option C. Next question. In the given figure, AOB is a straight line. If angle AOC is equal to 3x plus 10 degree and angle BOC 4x minus 26 degree, then angle BOC, this angle. Here same as we done in question number 11. In question number 12, not 11. So sum of linear pair is equal to 180 degree. Then you will get the value of x and substitute the value in this part. You will get angle BOC. Let's see. So you will get the value of x like this. 7 1 the 7, 7 to the 14, and 15 16 17 18 19, 5 5 and 6, 7 8 the 56. Here x is equal to 28. Now we have to require which angle? Angle BOC, 4x minus 26. So this becomes angle BOC is equal to, substitute the value of x, 4 into 28 minus 26. Now multiply and subtract, then you will get the answer. Let's see. 86 degree. Option B is correct. Next question number 14. In the given figure, AOB is a straight line. If angle AOC is equal to 3x minus 10, angle COD is equal to 50 degree and angle BOD is equal to x plus 20 degree, then angle AOC, this angle you will have to find out. Same here, in above question we use the linear pair will be 180 degree, and here you will use the sum of angles, sum of all angles at a point on a line and same side of that line will be 180 degree. use it. Now 3x plus x, 4x plus 50, 60, 70 minus 10, you will get 60 is equal to 180 degree. Now 4x is equal to 180 minus 60, it becomes 0 and 2, 20 degree and 1, 120 degree. 4x is equal to 120 degree, so x is equal to 120 upon 4. You will get 4 1 the 4, 4 3 the 12, 0, 30. Here you get the x is equal to 30 degree, and substitute this value in this part because this is the required angle. In this question it is asking angle AOC. This is 3 3s are 9, 0, 90 minus 10 is equal to 80 degree. Choose the option, right option. Option C is correct, 80 degree. Remaining MCQs we will do in our next video. So please student, don't forget the video, like, share and subscribe. Not video, my channel. Thank you. And share also.